Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you what's inside the package of EC6 Panorama. When unpacking EC6 Panorama, there's a little white box. All of the accessories, menu and warranty card can be found in this white box. Now let's take a look at EC6 Panorama. This is our new outdoor security camera. It also comes with two lenses just like our EC6 Dual. The two lenses are on the front of the camera. They work together to expand the viewing angle to 180 degrees. Right below the two lenses are the built-in spotlights. So EC6 Panorama can deter the suspects using sirens, flashes, or even your custom voice message. What I'm about to show you right now is the most fantastic part about EC6 Panorama. As you can see in the video, EC6 Panorama can rotate for up to 344 degrees. The rotating ability makes EC6 Panorama a very unique outdoor security camera that can track suspects while providing a 180-degree panoramic view. At the bottom of EC6 Panorama, there's a slot where you can insert a micro SD card so your footage can be stored locally without a monthly subscription fee. Right next to the slot, there's also a reset button for you to reset the camera. On the top of the camera is the mount for you to install EC6 Panorama under the ceiling, on the wall, or even on a column. EC6 Panorama comes with a power port and an Ethernet port, so you can connect EC6 Panorama to your network through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. And this is the power port. Now let's take a look at the accessories. These are the waterproof plugs. EC6 Panorama is IP66 weather resistant, so in case you don't need the Ethernet port, you can plug the port using the plugs, so the water won't damage the port. Of course, EC6 Panorama comes with a screw pack, power adapter, a menu, and a warranty card for an extra 1-year warranty. These are the mounting templates for you to position EC6 Panorama, for example, on the wall. In IMILAB's new packages, now there's a surveillance sticker. You can stick the sticker on the wall to let the suspects know that your house is protected 24/7 with video and audio surveillance, so they'll know that they should probably just go away and don't try anything stupid.